Good morning. I'm Rick Minter with Inman Farm Heritage Days. We're here to talk to you today about our nature trail we put in a couple of years ago. We've had the idea for some time, and a couple of years ago, the Tawallaga, as you can see on our sign here, the Tawallaga Soil and Water Conservation District gave us a grant for the money to spend on it. My cousin Ricky Harp did the site work, and our friend Dennis Chase did the stream evaluation that you'll see more about when we go down the trail, and some others helped too. Hopefully got all their names on the board here. It means a lot to me. My granddaddy farmed this land where all the show is now, and I remember in the 1960s, Hence Pollard timbered this property over here, and the sawmills sat about pretty close to where we are right now. And matter of fact, this beech tree you'll see over here is growing out of what's left of the sawdust pile. But he brought us down here and walked us around and showed us what was going on, and that was very memorable for me, even though I was only 8 or 9 years old. Matter of fact, Mr. Pollard kept his mules in a pen down by the creek down there, and that was fun to go see them. My grandmother was a school teacher, elementary school teacher, and she used to bring us down here and walk us through the woods and teach us about the plants and critters that we'd find here. And it's all very memorable to me, and I hope other people will get similar enjoyment out of it when they're walking here. There's signs in the woods identifying trees. There's information at the creek. We've adding this year a little history building. You can walk in and look and read some posters about the history of our community. And before you get back out on the other side of the field, there's a liquor store you can check out. So we'll carry on a walk through here now and hope y'all can be here in our show September, third weekend of September and the first weekend in March, and enjoy it for yourselves.